Hello everyone, and welcome to Workshop Wednesday. Today I'm going to try and give this grease pump from Alamite a clean and see how it comes up. So without further ado, let's strip everything down, which basically constitutes that, and I'm going to try and get this nipple off. I'll be surprised. Oh no, I should have more confidence in my own strength. This is just white spirit in here, and as you can see, there's very little in the way of grease, so I'm just going to let it soak. And I've got a black nylon brush. So welcome back. What I want to do is show you the after the cleanup, and this side here you can see all the paint's come off, and the reason being is I've been using this. Here's the other side, the dirty side, and I'm just going to turn this on and continue to clean. There you go. We have the plunger mechanism that has definitely seen better days. I think before we do anything else, I'm going to try and remove it. So that's a 9/16, and so the smaller nut is a 9/16, and this larger nut down here is a 3/4. We're going to go, it's hardly done up at all. And then this handle unscrews. And then we're left with all the parts. And then what I'll do is I'll give everything a clean up on the wire wheel before putting it back together. So this can be broken down further just by, they're both 3/4 inch spanners. So there's the seals, and that's what remains. So that's the strip down, and then obviously if you want to put it back together, it's just a matter of that goes there, then you put your gaskets or your seals, sandwich those between there. This screw then goes on top. Screws down, sandwiches the two together. This locking screw or nut goes on top. This then feeds through. So I've never taken one of these down before, so we're both learning. So those go together, that goes in there. This slides down. It's nice and screwed on. This goes on the top. That screws in. And that screws in. What we have here is the grease nipple. I need to give that a bit of a clean. And then that's all done. And that goes into here. So that's in, and then this nozzle here screws in. Now, what you have here is the Alamite 500, and you can see how very similar everything is. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tear this back down, and then I will paint all the relevant parts up. See if this nut comes off. There's a nut. That looks like a washer in there. And a little ball bearing. So in fact, this has got a spring in it. So I think what we'll do whilst we're here, a quick tip on cleaning springs is if what I do is I find something of a similar diameter, and then I feed that over, and then all I'm doing is cleaning, and then as you can see there, oh, it doesn't ping off in lots of different directions. Yet it's so to put this top part back together, pop the ball bearing in. Got the nut there. There's a spring. The spring goes back into the nut, like so, and then screw it in. And then get your 3/4 inch and nip it up. And that's it. So, like I say, next thing is to paint it all up. So here's the grease gun ready to be primered. So we're going to be spray painting some simple colour khaki. Semi-matte. So here's the completed grease gun, restored back to its former glory. You can see all the markings quite clearly. And where's it going to go? Well, on wartime Jeeps, as in World War II, it went up on the side here. But I don't have room for that on this Jeep. So the location in which it's going to go is here on the firewall, or the main bulkhead of the Jeep. I'm going to try and install this one-handed. So you can see it fits nice and neatly in the engine bay. There's enough clearance. This trailing edge here is the second nearest thing to it, the main thing being this bit here, but even that finishes on the outside of here, so there's plenty of room. The shovel doesn't interfere with it, nothing does. It's a nice tidy fit. The other thing as well is the shovel has been painted up, so that's all in place, locked in, and that's it. Hope you found the video on the restoration of the grease gun useful. See you later.